Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. In this video we're going to talk about the Bloom proof of activity. What is all that proof of activity is all about? The proof of activity is all about Bloom are trying to exclude bots and the robots from their projects, and they have been saying that for very well, that they are going to do something like a verification. They want to do something like a verification. They want to make sure that the people mining this Bloom are active people. All right, people are acting. All right, so how they want to do this is one of the criteria. This is one of the things that they want to do here. They want to have a proof that you have been active on this platform. All right, so how is this proof going to be? So I'm going to show you step by step how you are going to do the proof, how you are going to this proof is not identification. You don't need ID card, you don't need the only thing you need is a transaction. It's a ton transaction. You need to have a ton transaction so that you will have this proof of activity. All right, so you just touch here. As you can see, you touch start here. When you touch start, it's going to take you to wallet. So when it takes you to wallet, you have to make sure you have some certain amount of maybe like a 0.1 ton in your ton keeper or your ton wallet, Telegram wallet, to have this transaction. I've already done my own on my main account, so I will do it on this one too. So this is how to do it. Just if you see I have insufficient funds on this. So when you have the funds, you just go directly and verify, put your fingerprint or your password, then pay that certain amount of money, then you are done with that part. I think it is very important. You all need to do this. All right, you all need to do this because Bloom are trying to make sure that you are active or you have been active and your wallet is active, and they are trying to make sure that to exclude robots and the bots from this project. All right, so they are doing it for good. All right, so thank you for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much.